Good morning, standard 9 students. Some more question I am going to solve from this exercise mensuration, exercise 16.3, which is very important because it's circle you have to study in 10th also. So, standard 9. Right. So, first question today, question number 9. What is it? The wheel of a cart making 5 revolutions per second. 5 revolutions per second. And if the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter, diameter given 84 centimeter, and wheel making revolutions, revolve in 1 second 5 times it revolve, then you have to find the speed in kilometer per hour, and you have to write the answer into nearest kilometer. Right? So for this you have to check the unit, because time given in second that you have to convert into hour, and diameter of the wheel is given 84 centimeter, that also you have to convert into kilometer, because the answer asks in kilometer per hour. Now, how much distance the wheel will cover? If a wheel rotate one complete rotations on the earth, it will cover the distance, total distance according to the circumference of the wheel. So first of all, you find out what is the circumference of the wheel. Since diameter given 84 centimeter, so convert the centimeter into kilometer. How to convert? To change the kilometer into centimeter, we multiply by 10,000. Now reverse case is here, so we will divide it by 10,000. So 84 by 10,000, that is equal to 0.0084 kilometer. This is diameter. For the radius, 0.0084 by 2, that is 0.0042 kilometer. Right? So radius now we have to find the circumference, because how one complete rotation, how much distance covered, it will depends upon the circumference of the wheel. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7, r is 0.0042. Right? This is in kilometer. This is one revolution. Like that, the wheel rotate 5 times in a second. How many times? 5 times in a second. So, in 1 second, total distance covered will be 5 into 2, 22 by 7 into 0.0042. Fine. This much kilometer covered by the wheel in 5 revolutions. Right? Now time is 1 second. Change into hour, so 1 by 36, 100 hour. Right? Now distance, speed is equal to distance by time. This is the formula. Distance, now to find, we have to find the speed. Speed distance is 5 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.0042, and time 3600. Right? This is kilometer per hour. Now to calculate the value and write the answer in nearest kilometer. Right? Question number 13. Two concentric circles are given. Concentric circle means more than one center having the more than one circle having the same center is known as concentric circle. Now, this is the area of the path, sided portion. This is the area of enclosed, this path area, or we can say the area, this area enclosed by the two concentric circle, and this area is given, 346.5 centimeter square. Right? Area enclosed by the two concentric circle is given 346.5 centimeter square, and circumference of the inner circle is also given. So this is inner circle with the radius r, center O here. So this inner circle circumference given. So from the circumference we can find out the radius of the circle. So what is the formula of the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r, and that is given 88 centimeters. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 88. This will cancel. R is equal to 14 centimeter. So inner circle radius we have now 14 centimeter. Then we have to find the radius of the outer circle, that will be capital R. So how to find? So this area is already given. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square will give the area of this portion, and that is given 346.5. Right? So we have to find the radius of the pi capital R square given pi small r radius we have now 14 square 346.5. Right? Only one thing is unknown, that is capital R, that we have to find. So pi take common, capital R square, 14 square means 196, that is 346.5. R square minus 196 is equal to 346.5 by pi. Right? So R square minus 196 is equal to 346.5 by 22 into 7. Right? So cancel it, remove the decimal. 10, how many times? 5 to the 10, 5 6 the 30, 9 5 the 45, 5 3 the 15. Right? Eleven to the 22, 11 6 the 8 and 3. Right? So R square is equal to 63 into 7 by 4 plus 196. Right? Now R square by 4 plus 196, R square is equal to 441 plus by 4 by 4. So r square is equal to 1225 by 4. So find out r, that is 1225 by 4, that is r is equal to 35 by 4, that is 8.75 radius. Right. So you try to solve some more question here, and next day I will solve some more question. Thank you very much.